Well, guys, I know this is a gaming channel, but I'm just doing a Halloween tier list to get into the Halloween spirit. Halloween candy tier list. If you want me to do another one of these, I'll do it, but let's go. So, Hershey's, I don't know if it's talked about, Hershey's, or Hershey's in general, or, Hershey's cookies and cream. But for now, Hershey's are good, so A tier. Reese's, first gone, the best in my opinion. Hershey, Kit Kats, A's, they're good. 100 grand, I'll eat it, but it's last gone. Reese's Pieces is again last gone. Reese's Buttercups are way better. Sweet Tarts, first gone. Musketeers, have I even had Musketeers? No, I don't think. Oh wait, did yeah, they're good. Yep. Oh, I forgot. So, these are the tiers. First gone, A, B, last gone, straight into a trash, and I don't know why these are in my weren't in my neighborhood. Oh yeah, then okay. Yeah, I never seen any of those. Pixie Sticks, never in my neighborhood. Airheads, B. My only complaint is the wrapper. You can't get it off. I don't even know what these are. Actually. Okay, well, anyways. Ooh, Crunch. A. Very good. Nico? I don't know. Sour Patch Kids. Last gone. Nerds. B. They get all over the place. Okay, but anyways. Yeah, these are the one of the worst Halloween candies, all straight to the trash. M&M's, good, A tier. Gum, first gone. I don't even know what that is. But seen them. Ooh, wait, walk. Yes. I ate them, but I don't know why they weren't in my neighborhood. But they're the last gone. I don't like the banana left. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, these are actually pretty good. A. No. Oh. Oh yeah, Hershey's cookies and cream they were about. Yeah, straight into the trash. She kisses. This is A and Hershey's A. Mike and I straight into the trash. Snickers. Wait, can I create another? Okay, but anyways, I'm enjoying now Baby Ruth in my neighborhood. These are actually good, but yeah, B tier, they're good, but not that good. Don't know what these are. Never even heard of this. Good, God, good. Then that. What's actually name? Wait, one sec, guys. Anyways, oh wait, no. Oh yeah. Oh. Okay. Wait one sec. Okay, so I added God tier. The God tier candies. Nice Swedish Fish. Trash. Blow Pops. They're gooder than the caramel apples. Both. A fireball straight into the trash. Straight into the trash. Fun Dip. Last gone. No. Oh, I had these, but I don't know why they were in my neighborhood. Same with this. I remember the little packets. They're not straight into the trash level, but they're good. Okay. Just no. Absolutely no. 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 Oh, absolutely no. Joy says God tier. God. God tier. God tier. Junior mints? No. Wing pops? Oh. Oh yeah. God tier. Now payday. I've seen these. Never even eaten this. Just no peanut M&Ms. No. Actually, these are good. But they're last gone. Milk just no. Milky Waste. Last gone. Straight into the trash. One sec. Yeah, Quavo. Wow. Well, so anyways, guys, create its own tier. No. Yeah, they're good. Wouldn't recommend eating these. They're good. Wouldn't recommend, but hey, look, that's just Smarties. No. Sugar Daddy. Yeah, I never even had these. Oh. Okay, so we're doing this now. One sec. First, candy corn. I hate candy corn, by the way. So if you don't know this, so quick, whoa. How? This is where the candy corn goes. Okay, so okay, I mean, first is candy corn even a candy? Like it's just a candy corn. Okay, I'm just saying it's all running in my head. I'm ready to punch stuff. I'm ready to punch stuff. Nah. I'm ready to punch stuff. Okay, yeah. Anyways, tricks. God. These are egg whoppers. Trash. Yonker. Actually, I hated these when I was when I was small. But these are actually good now. Never even heard of Zero. But anyways, guys, this is just a quick video that I wanted to do. This is my ranking on all the Halloween tier lists. Bye-bye.